Hi viewers, welcome to LMS Solution. In this video, we are going to study the operation of a 5-level multi-level inverter using PWM and nearest level modulation techniques. This topology consists of a single H-bridge, one bidirectional switch, and two DC voltage sources. Each source is considered as VDC2. By properly turning on different switches, the inverter can generate 5 output voltage levels plus VDC plus VDC2, 0, VDC2 and VDC. To generate plus VDC, switches S1 and S2 are turned on, so the sum of V1 and V2 appears across the load. To obtain plus VDC2, switches SA and S2 are turned on, so only one source is applied to the load. For zero voltage, either S2 and S4 or S1 and S3 are turned on, which short circuits the load path and gives zero output. For VDC2, S3 and SA are turned on, producing negative polarity across the load. For VDC, S3 and S4 are turned on, so both sources appear across the load with negative polarity. To operate these switches, two modulation methods are used: nearest level modulation and PWM. In nearest level modulation, a sinusoidal reference signal is compared with fixed threshold levels such as 0.75, 0.25, 0.25, and 0.75. Depending on the comparison, the inverter produces the corresponding voltage level. In PWM technique, the sinusoidal reference is compared with a triangular carrier signal to generate switching pulses. By changing the modulation index, the number of output levels, inverter voltage, and current will vary. This demonstrates the performance of the 5-level inverter under both techniques.